Hello students, today in lecture 8 we will have the quick revision of all the points of history chapter 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe, or the summary of this chapter. So let us discuss this chapter point wise in the sequence of articles mentioned in NCERT book. The first article is Frederic Sérieux, the French artist of 1848. He depicted 4 pictures, and out of those 4 prints, in one print he had shown the utopian union. In this, the people of Europe and America, men and women, all ages and all social classes, are marching in a long train method, and they pay tribute to the Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. Second article is French revolutionaries and the idea of nation. French revolutionaries used certain measures like La Patrie, Les Citoyens, a new French flag, the tricolor, and custom unions, etc. duties were removed, and these symbols and ideas they used to create feeling of nationalism in Europe. Point number 3, Civil Code of 1804 or the Napoleonic Code. In 1804, Napoleon crowned himself as the Emperor of France, and he changes all the changes made by earlier the kings, the monarchs, and in this system he simplified administrative divisions, abolished feudal system, freed peasants from serfdom, transportation and communication system was improved. Although Civil Code of 1804 was transported in the cities like Brussels, Mainz, Milan and Warsaw, where it was criticized in the later stage. Article number 4 is Liberals Nationalism. Liberals nationalism in 3 fields: social, political and economic spheres. Liberals wanted in social field the association, political field the government by consent, parliament, right to vote, and in economic spheres they wanted the tax-free trade without any hurdle. Article number 5, a new conservatism after 1815 and the Treaty of Vienna of 1815. After the defeat of Napoleon in 1815, European government was driven by a spirit of conservatism, and conservatism resurfaced in Europe, and whatever changes Napoleon made in his rule were further changed as a measure of Treaty of Vienna. The Bourbon kings, which were deposed of by Napoleon, were brought back to power. 4 powerful states around France were put. Belgium and Netherlands were given to north. Genoa and Piedmont were given to south. Russia to east and Prussia to west, so that France may not expand in future. The conservative regime which was set up in 1815, they were autocratic. Next article is the Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini was born in 1807 in Genoa. In 1831, he launched his first successful revolution in Liguria, for which he was sent to exile. In exile in 1833, he formed 2 secret societies, Young Europe and Young Italy, and in 1848 he tried to unite Italy. Next article is July 1830 revolution. Another small revolution which has taken place in July 1830. The Bourbon kings, which were brought back to power in 1815 or after 1815, were once again overthrown by the liberal revolutionary, and Louis Philippe was taken as constitutional monarch. According to this, Duke Metternich, the Austrian Chancellor, commented, "When France sneezes, rest of the Europe catches cold." The end result of July 1830 revolution was Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdoms of Netherlands. Next article is Greek War of Independence 1821 to 1832. The first battle started in 1821. The Greeks had started fighting against Ottoman Empire. Since Greece was under the control of Ottoman Turkey, the Greeks which had begun in 1821, the nationalists in Greece got support from other Greeks living in exile. So for many Greeks, it was among the middle educated people. Poets and artists lauded Greece as cradle of European civilization. Lord Byron, an English poet who collected funds, went to battlefield and died in 1824. Finally, 1832, the Treaty of Constantinople. 1832, Treaty of Constantinople declared Greece as United Nation. Article number 9, Art and Culture and Nationalism. The development of nationalism did not come about only through arts and territorial expansion. Art and culture also played an important role. It was John Gottfried Herder who claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the people. It was through folk songs, folk poetry, folk dances that the true spirit of a nation was popularized. Similar artist was Karol Kurpinski. He celebrated the national struggle through his operas and music, turning folk dances like Polonoise, the dance of Poland, mazurka into national symbol. Similarly, the Grimm brothers, Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm brothers, they were born in Hanau in 1785 and 1786. They spent almost 6 years and traveled village to village, and they collected folk tales, and these folk tales were printed and given to next generations for their reading. Next article is Making of Germany. Making of Germany. The first battle started in 1848 when the Frankfurt Parliament was convened, and it was taken further by the Prussian Chief Minister Ottoman Bismarck, and Ottoman Bismarck is known as the architect of Germany. And finally, Ottoman Bismarck fought 3 wars continuously for 7 years, defeating Austria, Denmark and Prussia. And with defeat of all these territories, or conquering all these territories, finally in January 1871, Germany was declared United Nation. Next is unification process of Italy. Before its unification, Italy was divided into 7 princely states, out of which only one, Sardinia Piedmont, was ruled by the Italian princely house under the rule of Victor Emmanuel II. Other areas were ruled by, that is, north was under Austrian Habsburg, center was ruled by Pope, and the other regions, southern regions, were under the control of Bourbon kings of Spain. During 1830s, Giuseppe Mazzini started the unification process, but in 1831 and 1848, all revolutions failed, and in event of failure of these revolutions, the responsibility was given to Victor Emmanuel II. Then Victor Emmanuel II ordered his chief minister Camilo de Cavour and Camilo de Cavour drive out the Spanish armies from the area with the support of Giuseppe Garibaldi, and in 1860 they went to into south, the two Sicilies, and succeeded in winning the support of local farmers, and unification process was completed. Finally, in 1861, Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed the King of United Italy. Next is the strange case of Britain, article number 12, strange case of Britain. Prior to 17th century, it was not known by this name. They were divided into small group of isles like English, Wales and Scottish and Irish. Then in 1688, after a long protracted conflict between them, the English Parliament had seized power of all kingdoms. Then in 1707, Act of Union was passed, and Scotland, which was the larger geographical area than England itself, was united, and Britain became United Kingdom of Great Britain. Similar thing had happened in Ireland. In 1798, all revolutions launched by Irish revolutionary Wolfe failed, and then in 1801, Ireland was also united with Britain. The new British nation celebrated three symbols: Union Jack, the national flag; God Save Our Noble King, the national anthem; and the English language as the common culture. Article number 13, visualizing the nations. Now the time has come when nations were given the icons, like France chosen Marine, a common Christian name. Marine was selected as female figure of France. Her statues were erected in 4 squares. Her images were printed on coins and stamps. Germania became the allegory of Germany. She wore the crown of oak leaves, as oak stands for heroism for the Germans, and Britannia became the female figure of Britain, sitting on globe, emphasizing over victory over all world countries. Then last article is the nationalist tension in the Balkans. After 1871, as we have seen that by 1871, most of the big nations has emerged, like Germany, Italy, Greece, and Greece was under the control of Ottoman Turkey. So Balkan areas was a big group of rivalries under the control of Ottoman Turkey. Since Ottoman Turkey or the Turkish ruler lost their control, so one after the another, these Balkan states of the present day countries like Albania, Bulgaria, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, Montenegro, etc. They were known as Slav. Slav was a clan, it was a dynasty, and they claimed that their forefathers were independent in the past. These Balkan states were fiercely jealous of each other. They had least unity in them, and they started fighting against each other. And to see their mutual rivalry, the other European powers like Russia, Germany, England and Austro-Hungary reached in Balkan areas, and they started colonizing these Balkan states as they came out the control of Ottoman Turkey. And in this race, the series of battles started in Balkans among these big European powers, and finally it turned into the First World War, and the nationalist tension in the Balkan put entire Europe into a big disaster. So this is about all a quick revision about this chapter. Now, many students asked about some important questions from this chapter. So, my dear students, I want to tell you, first of all, these are the 12 important articles which you have to study properly, thoroughly. Because for board exam point of view, emphasizing over one particular question will not be correct. Because CBSE every time designs different nature or different word-based questions. So you have to understand the concept more than the particular question. Anyhow, questions can be asked the ideas of French revolutionaries to create sense of collective belongingness among the people, Civil Code of 1804 or the Napoleonic Code, Treaty of Vienna, New Conservatism after 1815, then Giuseppe Mazzini, the Italian revolutionary, then 4 unification processes, unification of Greece that had come in 1832 as a measure of Treaty of Constantinople, unification process of Germany 1871, unification process of Italy 1861, making of Great Britain, United Kingdom that started from 1688 and to 1801, and the Balkan areas. These are the important articles on which questions in the board exams are asked. So if you have any particular doubt, then you can contact me, talk to me anytime when you are free. I will help you out. So thank you very much and enjoy.